Guys, in this video we will be making rosemary Okay guys, let's get into it. These are the herbs that I'm going to be used. I have my clean herbs, these are cloves, and the rosemary leaves that I'm going to use. The next thing we'll be doing is I'm gonna use the boiling method. So I'll just put 1 glass of water into my pan, and then I'll go ahead and add all the herbs into the water, and I will just wait before the water boils, and I'll turn off the water. So I went ahead and just put my herbs into the water, and yes, I can see they look like they're less, so I just added some later on in the video, so stay tuned and watch up to that part. So we're gonna use the boiling method like I had said earlier, and this is how the water looked like. So at this point I could see the water had started turning color, and this is how it looked like. And then I just went ahead and turned off my fire, and like I said, I added more herbs. I'd already put in the cloves, but I just forgot to film that, and I added more rosemary. And we're gonna let this cool for a minute before we transfer and just let it infuse. And this is how it looked like before I put it in my bottle. So we're gonna put it in my bottle and then close the jar, and we will let it stay for 24 hours. So there are very many benefits for using this rosemary and cloves water, and I'll just be using this over the next 2 weeks to just moisturize my hair and make it nice and reduce my breakage. This is how the water looked like, and this is it 24 hours. I went ahead and stored it in a dark place, and I really loved how potent it looked. And yeah, at this point it is ready to be transferred to my spray bottle, and it was ready for use. I just sieved it a little bit because most of the herbs just settled at the bottom of the bottle, but I wanted to make sure nothing went through. So if you're new here, my name is Maria. I do videos about natural hair, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking into this video and following my journey. Like I said, I'm trying to be more intentional with my hair growth this year, and just by doing these simple things I can see a lot of change. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Got the kick.